Oh iya, kalau yang model seperti ini lebih fungsional ini modelnya saya. Nggak perlu banyak-banyak mainan.
No, but actually, yesterday was so tiring for me because I'm not sleeping either. I had to walk for, no, I mean the total of a month that I walked yesterday, 9,000. For all what I don't know. But I think I saved now. And I'm not showering yet. Look at my face. It's like, damn, what is that, bro? What? Yesterday I went to Marco and buy this. So I buy this yesterday and my mom doesn't know it. Because I buy it with my money, so why not? It's a sausage bread. It's only 14,000 rupiah. Yeah, it's only 14,000 rupiah. It's maybe in dollar 90 cents. It's cheap, you know. It's good. It's heaven, you know. Hello, you look pretty. Pretty. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Bye. Bye. Chop, 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 chop. Hi guys. Don't judge me that I look like crusty musty in this video. Because I had a fever. Maybe I said it's little, but I still feeling dizzy. Feels dizzy, like, you know, when I stand up and my surrounding was going around. Like, well, anyway. Also, now it's mid of the day. At midday, 22 November. Oh, 22. 27 November. I'm sorry. You know, if I had a fever, I would like, you know, I feel like I'm high, not from drugs. I high from my fever. I will talk without any filter. You know, because I feel like I'm high, and I don't give a fuck about everything. Like, so yeah. So you know what? Instead of me bickering something like that, maybe I should focus working on my essay or essay admission university admissions. Okay. You know what? Fuck. And actually, my parent was so the reason why I have a crusty musty face in 10 o'clock. As you can see, she was gonna send to a shelter. No, tama. Here. Yeah. She gonna go send a gossip. My mom and I gonna bring her to shelter because, you know, it's not good environment to she live here, because, you know, that fucking old man. Like, look at this kid, see? Not like, not that temperamental old man gonna do some shit again. So I'm getting better now. So I woke up at 6, and when I saw in my window, there is my aunt. My aunt's already waiting for me outside, and yeah, I rush into my door and greet her. Yeah, so and she said, "You wanna buy some porridge with me?" So yeah, I go with her. Tada! No, actually, the egg was a little messy, but no, actually, I warmed it up for maybe too long. So it's supposed to like much more than this, but why it feels like just this portion of. Hi guys. So today is Saturday morning. Almost 7 days I've been through with that fever and some else, some shit, some sickness that I've been through. I find out that I in premenstrual, which is it. Uh, I've sick. I've been sick because of that. So usually I measure my weight, and usually I 48 or 47 kilogram, but now you should see, I'm too lazy to eat. So look, like almost 4 kilo, I 4 or 3 kilo that in just 3 days straight.